Hello, everybody. In day to day life, we feel tired and drained out. What is the reason behind this? This is a question. Sometimes, when we move around some places, we visit some place, some person visits our home, when we mingle with them, we feel drained or exhausted and we feel very tired and we feel sleepy or we want to take rest. What is the thing behind all this? See, we have got an energy body. In Sanskrit, we say Sthula Sarira, Sushma Sarira, and Karana Sarira. Physical body, astral body, and causal body. So, when we mingle with people or we visit a place, our energy field or our aura is get affected by that. We give and take, or we share energy, or we receive energy. We could have noticed while visiting certain temples or certain Sadguru's samadhi place, we feel energetic and we feel very calm. And the opposite thing is also happening, that when we visit some place and we feel drained and we are for no use. After that we come home, we take coffee, we feel lot of tired, not interested in doing anything like that. All is due to the energy loss only. So we have got aura, we have got chakras. A person who is following a spiritual path or a spiritual practice, when he do his practices, meditations, healing, prana kriyas, or everything, he is getting purified, and there is a law of nature. Positive and negative pole of a magnetic get attracts. The person who is doing meditation, chanting, or prayer is getting positive is energy and vibration, and there is a chance of getting drained or attracting that person's energy around the people who mingle him with. So, what is the solution behind that? We should not get fear, and it is not fair that we should not go here and there, we should not move around for our daily activities. There should be a solution behind this. In between, I would wish to say something. That is, in earlier days or years back in Kerala, there was a custom of keeping water in a brass vessel in the veranda, and even when a person enters to that house or that place, he should sprinkle the water, he should clean his feet and hands, and should sprinkle the water all over the body. It is to cleanse the aura. And in earlier times, the toilets or the washrooms or the bathroom were constructed the outside of the house only. People used to take a bath and get fresh and enter into their home. So when we visit certain place, we carry energy. Nowadays we know we are washing the hands with soap water, keeping our mask and all to get away, to protect ourselves from the virus. So there is a process of protecting our aura. It's a simple procedure and we feel very strong after protecting it. Simple is that just sitting at a place, closing your eyes, you can request the universe to send the universal love energy or the divine energy to ascend on you and descend on you and make a protection. You can visualize just like a huge box protected by the divine energy and make an intent that the positive energy of that universe energy only or enters into that protection. Any other's energy or any other's thought force won't enter into that box. So we can visualize it, request the universe energy to descend and make a box, and after protection, doing the protection, we can thank that universal energy and ask that universal energy to protect your aura for 7 to 10 days. So there is a condition. If you get emotionally disturbed or emotion, what is emotion? Emotion is nothing but energy in motion. When you get emotional, your energy levels get down. And if you get emotionally down, this protection may get disturbed, or you have to protect the aura protection. You have to do the aura protection again if you have got affected emotionally. So after doing the protection, when you move here and there or wherever you go, you will feel the difference and you will not feel the tiredness after coming home. That is the simple and easy technique to protect your aura from getting distracted or disturbed from others or any other energy field. Sitting in front of PCs or computer, using a laptop or using a mobile can drain energy also. So what we see that in IT companies, they provide cold drinks, chocolates, coffee, everything is provided at their seat. So sitting in front of computers will affect our aura or the chakras, whereas the chakras are the endocrine systems, and that will affect our hormones and it may cause certain disease. So that is also a reason why the IT people have lot of issues with their health also. Some may be taking or some may be doing the work at night. The nature has provided a rhythm. We have to sleep at night itself because from the moon we get a energy called somarasa. We have to absorb with that. Each and every person or each and every plant needs that somarasa. That energy is needed to, say, if a plant or a seed has to grow, that energy somarasa is needed. For a person to give birth to another generation or a progeny, that energy is needed to absorbed. So, following a rhythm of nature gives us health. Nowadays, we can't follow the nature's laws. Sometimes we are forced to do certain works against the law of nature. So these are the things behind the energy. Lot of things are yet to be noted or pointed out. The important points I have mentioned here. So try this and protect your aura and get safe from the energy getting depleted or distracted. Thank you for watching the video. May the divine bless you and be happy, stay healthy. All the best. Thank you.